Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to find CapCut templates. So let's get started. On your phone, just easily open the CapCut app. Once you open the CapCut app, you will see on the bottom the icon template. Then just easily tap it. Once you tap it, you will see a lot of templates that you can use. If you are looking for a specific template, you can just easily search it. For example, I'm looking for marsh dump. Now, there's a lot of template about marsh dump that I can use. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.